This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Fabric Spa, Spectra NDT Engineers, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Shweta Dentistry, MMPU College, Orbis International School, and by Asian Mall. Hello everybody and welcome to GoHash Gulbarga. गुलबर्गा एरो स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन दे रहा है आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी एक पायलट बनने के लिए। जी हाँ, ये पायलट बनने का कोर्स आ रहा है आपको काफ़ी कम कीमत में। IIARDC फाउंडेशन टारगेट कर रहे हैं ओपन पायलट ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स। जी हाँ, 700 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में ये सेंटर्स बनाए जा रहे हैं। अब तक 120 डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स में वो अपने सेंटर्स लॉन्च कर चुके हैं। अगर आपका ड्रीम है पायलट बनना तो देर ना करें और कॉन्टेक्ट करें गुलबर्गा एरो स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशन को।
Good evening, Gulbarga. I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very happy that you all came here. We are going to present a new innovation thought we are applying for aerosports activities, which is going to be tremendously. We are getting a lot of response, and everybody here you're seeing that regional director, Mr. Raghunath ji from the south. Also, he is Hubli district director. And we have the West Region Director, Dr. Hamleta ji, who is also certification and licensing officer she is, and she is handling the West Region Director she is. We have OPCR Mr. Sumant, so, and also we have the here Madan, who is the Deputy Regional Director, and we have here fellow friends, and they all are from the different districts, and the State Director we have Karnataka. Yeah, Karnataka State Director. So Aerosports Association we are making all over India. So our agenda is to bring pilot training for very cheaper nominal cost. So we are tied with almost all airline pilots who will be the supporting our organization. We have lot many people are coming. Lot many people are showing interest towards our association and all. This association is chapter 5 actually, in Gulbarga we held it, and chapter 1 we already did it in Bangalore, chapter 2 in Delhi, chapter 3 in Goa, which will be West, and chapter 4 we covered in Calcutta, and this is now chapter 5, and followed by chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8 in Mumbai, and then Delhi, again it will be in Bangalore. Next Chennai. So Chennai. So like that we are covering almost all districts, and we are visiting all the districts in India. So we are looking forward, even Manipur and all, even eastern parts also we are covering and all. No, actually we are aviators. We have the team of core of subject to make the more pilots. Actually we are deficient in pilots. That's the reason airfare, if you are seeing the airfare right now, airfare is so much expensive. This is because lack of aircrafts. The lack of aircrafts, because the main thing is that lack of pilots. Why pilots are very lack? Because the course is very expensive, and most of the thing is that everybody have everybody is wants to fly, but they are unable to fly. And moreover, if you see the foreign countries, if they want to go for some other place now, everybody will fly. Now we are bringing those culture, and not only that, only pilots will fly, everybody can fly. There are so many aircrafts are there. Cessna 172, 152 aircrafts are there, which are 2-seater, 4-seater aircrafts, and that. So either if you want 4 people has to fly in odd places like Gulbarga, if you want to fly, we can fly by our own aircraft. So such kind of culture has to become. So we want to start with the paragliding, paramotoring, power parachutes, which are very lightweight aircrafts. It is actually people are not aware about these kinds of flying operations and all. So we are bringing such kind of aircrafts which are very feasible and which are very nominal cost, very economic. So we are bringing that. They will get trained in that, and slowly they will be placed in commercials. Then also they can go for either airlines, because basically everybody know that only airline. They know about airline. Pilots means only airline, but it is wrong. There are so many kinds of pilots are there. We have the pilots in defense system also, and even Army, Navy and all, they have the paramotors, power parachutes, microlets, ultralets and all. Even in civil they are flying it for hobby. But this one we are seeing in Manali, Napa, Manali, Beer Building and Pokhara is there. They are more than 500 plus pilots are flying at every place, every day they are flying. They are conducting thousands of flights they are conducting. We are building people first of all, then business. So right now we are building the people. Now we have the Mr. Efran is there, who is going to be there, and his associate is there. So they are going to cover entire Gulbarga. So we are going to recruit around 200 cadets. Like, we have the limited seats. So education system is totally different. Right now it's in a corrupted based education system, and what you call GOAT. If somebody is doing and other people also doing the same thing. So here we are making little bit change, and it is going to be a game changer. It's obviously a game changer, because we will recruit the student as per the requirement. So like that, if you can conclude, like around 1,40,000 pilots are necessary, and we are not going to do it only in India itself. We are going to take them in different states, because aviation is such a kind of thing, platform is that it can be in different countries also, it can be there. We have our so many of our friends are there who are from other countries. They are coming here and they are flying, and they are earning 6 lakhs, 7 lakhs per month. They are able to earn. So same like that, our pilots who are making, like our fees is also very less, very nominal fees, and this is self-funded association. We don't require any funding from the government. We will do by ourselves. Only thing is that if any any state government has to support us, or any district collector has to be support, only by the paperwork. Rest all we will be take care, and our associated will be take care about all the things.
So when will be the admission started?
Admissions will be started in couple of months. Will be started. Right now we house other chapters also. Right now we are building the people. Once all the people are certainly be we got all the people, like 164 people. We are directly hiring them from the organization. Once these 164 people are organized, then immediately we will be started, and it will take another couple of months. Now we have the meeting with the event management teams. So in chapter 8, so right now it is a chapter 5, another like chapter 8 will be done within 15 days. In between every week we have the meetings, every chapters we are covering and all, and another couple of months we will be starting the events. See, actually we did case studies. For case study purpose, we already did around 200 candidates, but the same thing which we are going to do it in everywhere. We are going to do it more particular level, and a best level we are going to do that. So once they before and all, we are very much fees and all, we used to give it for very short. So we face a little bit problems and all that time. So we made it a very good system. See, without failure we cannot be successful. So we already gone through all these structures, like failures, up and downs and everything and all. Now that's the reason right now we are building people. Once we have the people, that is our strength. Once the associate partners, everybody, they are coming by themselves. Only one thing, a little bit thing I initiated, and right now it is growing very fast. Right, every day like around 3 to 4 associations are forming. If this thing is happening within 6 months, no matter within 6 months, we are going to have around 700 associations we will be able to form. So once this is formed, then we will be conducting every 2 days there will be event will be conducted. Within 360 days, entire we will be covering all over India.
This video is brought to you by Mahalakshmi Jewelers, Mobile Master, Fabric Spa, Spectra NDT Engineers, Newson Fabrics Clothes Store, Shweta Dentistry, MMPU College, Orbis International School, and by Asian Mall.